What's going on? In this video, you're going to learn how to buy a car with no credit, no cosigner, up to $25,000. Like and subscribe. I'm going to dive right into it. Who is this video for? This video is for anyone who never had an auto loan, immigrants, college student. So if you never had an auto loan, you probably need something reliable. You probably tired of Ubering. You probably tired of driving rentals. I know a lot of my friends who can't get a vehicle, or I know a lot of people who can't get a vehicle. They drive a lot of times the rental vehicle. So this, if you're driving the rentals, if you're Uber, if you just need something reliable, or maybe, it's a new lifestyle change. You're tired of buying vehicles cash. You're tired of the cash vehicle. You might need something that's more reliable. Or maybe you just need some warranty coverage. Make sure your vehicle is covered just in case any damages or powertrain issues. And this one is also good for anyone that's a student. If you're a college student, this is perfect for you. Why? Because it helps you build credit, because they do reports to the credit bureau. So you're gonna build credit. If you get a loan up to $25,000, you can get a brand new vehicle. You don't have to go for a used vehicle. You don't have to go for somebody else's problem. You can get you a brand new vehicle that's very, very affordable. With these type of vehicles that's under $25,000 and brand new, you can get vehicles that has all the tech features and safety features. So why this is actually great for you, right? There's a couple reasons why this actually could be good for you, and I'm gonna name out good 4 of them. One is this low to no down payment. So low to no, meaning $500 to $2,500. I'm sure a lot of you guys got that out there, right? The next is no cosigner. So, you may be college, you might have never had a loan. So, you could be older, you just always pay vehicles for cash, right? This would be great for you because you do not need a cosigner. Also, you're getting loans up to $25,000. Up to $25,000 again, could be a new vehicle. You do not have to settle for somebody's old vehicle, somebody else's problems. You will have a vehicle for you. Next, no credit history. That is the most important part, because that's a big problem we usually run into at the dealership, is you do not have enough credit history. So this program, you would not need any credit history for these vehicles up to $25,000. Before we jump into any other meat and potatoes and go through how the process works, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you what you're gonna learn in this video. You're gonna learn all the steps you need to qualify for these loans for your vehicle. You're gonna learn which banks to go to as well. So which bank's actually gonna approve you for this, and not so that way you don't shop your credit around getting a whole bunch of inquiries, right? So that's the next step. And then the final step, what to say when you go to the dealership, right? So that's a lot of times people don't know how the pre-approval process works and how to go to a dealership with already a lender that you have selected. Last but not least, another thing we're gonna talk about is how to qualify, who qualify. Some of these lenders and banks I'm gonna give you guys, it's a couple qualifications, right? And they're at low barrier to entry. So you must be 18, right? Little as 4 months of job history, and you never had an auto loan before. So that's going to be like the top 3 qualifications for these. Let's go ahead and go over the credit unions you need to go to. First one we're going to talk about is the First Commonwealth Federal Credit Union. First Commonwealth Federal Credit Union have a first-time auto buyers program. Look into this credit union so you can see finance your first car, no credit history, no problem. So no payment for 60 days. That's 60 days, y'all. That's a lot. No cosigner required. $25 deposit to member savings account after 6 months of on-time payments. A 1% rate reduction after 12 months of on-time payment. So they will lower your rate 1% after 12 months. That means your payment will go down. Your monthly payment can go down, or you will pay your vehicle off much faster when your rate drops. Must be 18 years old. Proof of income is required. Loan amount's $20,000. So the maximum loan amount is $20,000. 4 months of current employer requirement. Proof of insurance, no derogatory information on your credit report. Loans applied for at a dealership are not eligible. So basically, if you go to the dealership, you will not be eligible for this. Next, let's jump into the next bank. The next credit union is Arrowhead Credit Union. Arrowhead Credit Union has a Smart Start Auto Loan, a special program for first-time auto buyers. So you can finance up to 72 months. These loans go up to $25,000. Rate as low as 11.49 APR. Get pre-approved before you shop. Protection plans available. Skip the dealership to qualify. No previous auto loans. You need 12 months of employment history, at least one credit line with 12 months of positive payment history. So if you have one credit card that's on your credit report with 12 months, you're eligible. 10% cash down. If you're looking for a car that's $20,000 or say the max is $25,000, you need to come with $2,500 down. And to be honest, getting a vehicle that's $25,000 with only $2,500 down is nice, especially for a first-time car buyer. So this is another one I want you guys to check out, Arrowhead. We have DuPage Credit Union. DuPage Credit Union has a first-time vehicle buyers program, limited or no credit history. We can help college students or recent grads apply for a low rate vehicle loan and up to $200 in a gas card. So they will give you a gas card as well. What is the first time vehicle buyers program? You can get loans up to $25,000, terms up to 84 months, up to $200 in gas cards for one-time payment. So you make one-time payment, they're going to go ahead and give you a $200 gas card. No prepayment penalties, and it helps build credit. So this is a lot. I really like this credit union. I feel like this loan is very nice, especially with 84 months. 84 months can extend that term out, which will make these payments even lower. So to be eligible for the first-time vehicle buyers program, if you're between 18 and 24 and have been with the same employer for at least 2 years or have a signed offer letter. So with this credit union, you have to be the age of 18 and 24. You've been with an employer for at least 2 years. You could come here and take this quiz if you like to see if you're eligible, but I feel like this is another great one as well. Now let's jump into the next credit union. All right, the next credit union we have is Pacific Northwest Federal Credit Union. They have a first-time car buyer's loan. Save money and shop for your first car. No credit history required. Minimum 12 months at your employer. Little or no credit. So this is a great way to build credit. So here's another credit union you may want to check out if you're looking to get your first auto loan.